welcome to another video. It's been a while since I've posted, and this video is just like a video to try and get me going, back posting and stuff. So it's gonna be a really short video. It might not make sense, but it's just a video to get things going again. I'll give you all an update of what is happening in my life in maybe in the next few videos, but for now I just want to see if I still have that day, So today what I'm gonna do, it's something simple. I'm inside my mom's car and I still have some issues that have to be fixed, but today I want to focus on one issue in particular. So I don't know if you can hear the sound. Let me try get the microphone from me. So it's a clicking sound. Well, that sound is a sound of, it's an alarm, like and someone is crying and then they lose their voice. So yeah, same, it was an alarm, and then after some time it stopped making the alarm noise, so it only made the clicking noise. So firstly we thought it was the key that had the problem, so we tried to press the key in different ways because the buttons were not working, but the key is not the problem, it seems. And what I've found is that the rear back door won't open. And did I say rear back door? So the back door will not open from the inside, and when you're locking the car it doesn't lock. So I think that what set the alarm off, and you cannot open with the key because it doesn't, the car is not registering that it's being opened because of the thingy that is not getting locked here at the back. So I'm gonna try and remove it today. I'm gonna remove the door card and then check what the problem is. But before I remove this side door card, I'm gonna remove this side because it was taken out and someone did nonsense to it. So I'm trying to fix that. I think that's an easy fix, and then I want to compare those two to see which one, if I can spot it different. And if I can, then I know maybe it will be a simple fix. If there's no different, that means the problem is with the actual door actuator. So, and that thing is a bit expensive, but we can see if it's gonna be an easy fix, and if not, then we can see what's the way moving forward. Okay, so now I'm at the back seat, and as you can see, I'm trying to open the door. It's not opening, but when you open it from outside it does open. So I don't know what's the issue with that. And here the problem that I want to fix is this. So I can push it in here, but it does not click behind, so I have to remove the whole door card, then push it, then it clicks, and then I can pull it. Someone who took out this door, they forgot to put back the screws. Actually, they didn't forget, they were trying to be cheeky, so they didn't put a screw that goes in here and a screw that goes in there. So that's why this thing came out. But I'm gonna fix it and try to click it and click this back for now, and then maybe tomorrow I'm gonna buy the screws for that to secure it more properly. But for now, let us remove the door card. To remove the door card, I'll be using these tools here. So these are plastic trim removers. I got them from Takeout. I think they were about 22 rands or something. They're very cheap. So I'm just gonna use them and get going. I'm gonna try use one hand. If I can't, then sorry guys. So as you can see, there's a screw missing from there, and a screw missing from there, you see. So I need to know what size it is so that I can buy the proper thing. So now after removing this, I have to remove this whole thing, and it's held in by clips, and I think one bolt at the bottom. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I don't know what was happening here. Look at this. So I don't know if you can see, but there's another bolt missing from here. So whoever was taking apart this door decided to steal all the screws, so now I'm screwed. So I have taken off the door card, and it wasn't that hard given that all the clips are broken. So clips are broken. I don't know who was doing this thing, and I want a refund. I'm gonna find out who, and then I'm gonna get a refund, because this is stupid. You can't tell me this one whole door was held on by this clip only. Which one? This one only. That is stupid. But so I was able to get onto this, which I think is the thing that is broken on the other side. So I'm gonna check the other side and see if it looks the same. If it's broken, then we know what's the problem. If it's not, then the problem could be deeper. So let's go. Okay, so I took out the trim from this side. As you can see, there's a T30 screw there and there's a T30 screw there. So I'm just gonna remove those now and see. Let's try not to use this one. Another T30 screw out. Alright. This thing, it's supposed to be returning to its normal position as soon as you pull on it. So if I pull this side, it should be going back to its normal position. And I'll try and show you on the other side. This side, if I pull on it, it goes back. So the problem, I don't know how to fix that, but I know what the problem is at least. So now I'm gonna see if there's something deeper that we can check for. Yeah, so I think the problem lies with the actuator itself. So if you look over here, I don't know if you can see, so there's a metal thingy here, so it's supposed to retract automatically after pulling it like this. So it's supposed to go down by itself, but now it's not going down at all, but it always has stayed like up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep it down like this, and then I'll close the door and we'll be able to lock it, but we won't be able to unlock it from the outside, which is good. And then I think I'm gonna put child lock on the inside so that it won't be opened until I find a solution, because I want to take out the actuator, but the problem is I don't have the proper tools to remove these two bolts here. I have a T30 and it seems like it's gonna round them, so I need a tool to open these two, and then you can check the actuator itself. But yeah, I think that's my job done for today. It's not a fail because we have found what the problem is. Now we just have to fix the problem. So I'm just gonna end the video right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the video right here. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you leave a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, leave a subscribe, and remember, always have faith and be brave. See you in the next video. Goodbye.